Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for 15 subscribers. And as a special video, we're going to be looking at my first Linux install ever, which was about a year ago. Exactly. So let's get right into it. Let's click F1 to continue. Enter. This is gonna take a while. Well, I'll see you in 3 years. And we're booted. So this is my first Linux install ever. It's pretty crazy that it still works. Well, let's start off with RetroArch. Wait, hang on a minute. Why is iTunes on Linux? That does not make any sense. Wait, I don't know. Anyway, let's start with RetroArch. See if there's anything there. After it loads. Ooh, a hacky look. Looks pretty cool. Let's go load content, and we'll see if there's anything here. Let's see if I remember how to play Mario Kart. 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, I'm catching up. I'm in 5th place. Yes, I won. Why are we playing Mario Kart again? I'm pretty sure we were just looking at Linux and then I got distracted. So let's just quit that. Why is there iTunes here? I just don't understand. It's so confusing. Let's see. Wait, why is there KDE system settings? This is not KDE. That does it work? Wait. Why is this? I don't understand. Why is this working? There shouldn't be KDE system settings on here because this is not KDE. I don't understand. Does this work? As like settings? Can I rotate this? It does. I can't let's just revert that. Well, let's see. We'll see what games we have on here. We had Minecraft, Geometry Dash, a few more. We had 2048. That's fun. I'm good at this game, kind of. Let's see. Not doing very well here. I give up. Okay. Let's see what else we have. Here. Hang on a minute. Why do we have a camera? We don't have a camera, as you can probably tell. So I guess. I mean, it makes sense that it's not working. Oh, how did I even get this on here? I don't know. Okay, so let's look at some of the Windows apps that you can run through Linux through Wine. So let's start with iTunes. That's why it's on the desktop here. And I have no idea how well this is going to work because it's been like a year since I've done it. So we'll just wait for it to load for a couple years. It'll be fine. Continue. Wait for it to load. Is this done? Well, this is why I don't use it anymore. Well, let's try another app. I don't think this is gonna work very well. Hello? Come on. You can do it. Old computers. Well, I can't even close it. Close? Oh, I've crashed my old computer at this point. Come on. What? Why is there Steam here? Terminate process? Yes. Please just shut down. Yes. No. Why are you here? Okay. Well, I think we're gonna go on to the next thing. I think I have one more thing to do. Let's look at the screensavers. So I remember they were really cool, I think. So let's do some. Let's preview. Ooh, this is a weird one. Wow, there's so many. It feels like we're just going straight through the tunnel. Oh, wow, this is nice. This one's pretty cool. Whoa. Why did it just... Hello? Wow. It crashed the whole thing. That's pretty crazy. I didn't even know that was possible. So how about I talk about how I started Linux? So I was just bored one day, and I decided to I'd go in the garage and look for something to do. And I just grabbed something, I don't remember what. And then I was about to walk out, and then I remembered that I had an old computer, which is this one right here, that I had taken apart like years ago or something. And then, just grabbed it and wondered if I could put it back together and if it would work. And you can guess what happened. It worked. And a couple days later I got Linux on it, and yeah. And one thing, I did figure out the hard drive was broken, so that's why everything is off the USB drive, and one reason why it's slow. And I actually originally had a Windows 2000 disk that I was trying to install on this, but that was before I figured out the hard drive was broken, so it didn't work. But it's crazy how I've learned so much from 1 year. This was 1 year ago, and now I use Arch Linux with Hyperland, which is pretty hard to do. So yeah, that's basically how I got into computers, and I just got more and more computers. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Also, how did this video get 580 views? Like, 580 people decided to watch this video, or at least click on it. That's crazy. I expected maybe like 30 people to watch it, maybe. But I got 580 views and 5 extra subscribers. This is just crazy. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.